Hello, this is question 1 on your OCR June 2022 AS paper 2. Is an inequality, a quadratic inequality, and we have to give the solution. So what I'm going to do is to do it graphically because I think it's much faster. We're going to represent this quadratic. It's already factorized for us, so that means the roots are 2 and minus 3. So roots are 2 and minus 3. So our quadratic is going to be something like this. This is minus 3, roughly, and this is 2. And we need to know when our quadratic is positive, which means it's above the x-axis. So it's here and here. Yeah, so it's this bit here and this bit here. So our solution is going to be when x is smaller than minus 3 or when x is greater than 2. Yeah, that's my solution. That's when my quadratic is above 0 or this inequality is positive. But we have to write set notation. So remember, set notation is just with these fancy brackets. I'm going to write x and what I have here, which is x smaller than minus 3. And then I have another set of points that are x when x is greater than 2. And I have to write something here. It says or, so it's this set of numbers or this set of numbers. They cannot happen at the same time. So when I have or, remember I write union. If I have and, both things at the same time, I will have to write intersection, yeah? But that's my answer in set notation, and that's all with this question.